Hello, this is Dr. Grafton, and this is the video that's going to cover assignment 6.3 decision analysis. Uh, Basically, what we're looking at in management analytics is to be able to make informed decisions. A lot of the things that we've done up to this point have been analyzing existing data, predicting future scenarios, making recommendations. In this particular module, then we're going to discuss decision analysis used by managers determine a recommended alternative or particular design strategy when faced with uncertain future events. The goal of decision analysis is to identify the best decision given the uncertainty or risk, and basically the best decision to analyze potential payoffs, consequences, consider or risk preferences. Um, the There are several videos with this assignment. I'd recommend that you ensure to review them because we're going to use some of those techniques in this particular assignment. The background on the assignment then is the Southland Corporation decision to produce a new line of recreational products results in the need to construct either a small plant or a large plant. Now, the best selection of plant size depends on how the marketplace reacts to the new line of products that they're going to produce. We're going to conduct an analysis. Marketing management has decided to view the possible long run demand as low, the medium, or high. And the spreadsheet here we'll look at in a second shows the payoff tables with projected profits in millions of dollars. So, as a manager, then you have been asked to perform the decision analysis with the information provided. With that in mind, answer these three questions. So, we want to be able to identify the decisions to be made, explain the chance events for Southland's problems. We want to be able to construct a decision tree with information provided, and then recommend a decision based on the use of optimistic, conservative, and min max regret approaches. It says it should be submitted in a Word document. If you find that you can draw okay in Excel, that's fine. Word has a draw feature. In fact, the same draw feature for Word is the same one that you use in Excel. I'm going to demonstrate it in Excel just for because that's the spreadsheet that we have up. So this is the data file that you'll download. Okay. So it's telling you the plant size in small and large. It's telling you the long run demands in millions of dollars, low, medium, and high. This is the information that we're going to build our decision tree from. Okay. Then from that decision tree, then we're going to look at the maximum profit, the minimum profit, and the maximum regret. So each one of these, basically, you're just going to enter in appropriate numbers for those columns there. Okay. And then you have three approaches. Uh, the optimistic approach is basically which plan are you going to select that has the largest maximum profit? Okay. Conservative, which plant design are you going to select that has the largest minimum profit? That's being conservative. And then the max regret approach is which plant will you select that will minimize the maximum regret? And that's why you see the column up there where it says maximum regret. So basically, the only really thing that's not on here is a decision tree. So in Excel and Word as well, you can do insert, and you'll see the same in Word as you do in Excel shapes. Okay, so you can do we can start the decision tree with a square shape. So we'll put it here where we want it. Let's see that. Okay, so we've got that'll be the basis of our thing. And the nice thing about using Excel is it gives you some grid lines to draw with. Okay, uh, so then our first decision is going to be about small. I'm going to go ahead and type that there. Then we've got uh, low, medium, and then high. And then the related dollar amounts. Okay. And you can do the same then down here for large plant. Again, we'll have low, medium, and high, and then appropriate dollar amount. So this was 50, 200, and then 500. Excel doesn't do spell check like Word does. Okay. I went ahead and put those there because now we can go back and draw our shapes and our arrows uh, and put them in the appropriate places here. Okay. So it's going to come up with a big blue. I'm going to go back and make it clear. I'm going to make it smaller. I'll put it right about there. Okay. And then I'm going to do another one, circle, make it clear, shrink it down so it's about the size that we want it, and put it right about here. Let's make this one here too. Okay. So the shapes are there. Now we just need to draw the line. So just insert, go back to shapes. This is the line. So go from here up to about here. Like I say, Excel's got your grid lines for you. I don't have that steady of a hand to be an artist here. Huh? Yeah, that's close enough. Okay, you can get the gist of it here because then the next line is going to go up to low. Okay. Medium. And then high. Okay. So I'm going to stop there. You've got kind of the gist of what we're trying to do here. This same drawing tool is in Word if you want to draw it in Word. If you want to draw it in Excel, that's fine. If you draw it in Word, then you're going to have to copy and paste um, this table and these approaches to Word. Okay. All right. So just in the decision tree, then you continue on, fill in the lines for the bottom part, and then you can go and make your decisions from that. Okay. Hope this gives you enough to be able to get started on the assignment, and have good luck.